Alright, this starts at measures 49 and it ends at measures 53. It's 16 and 2. Oh, that's so bright.
Sorry.
No, it's not your fault. Alright, so you start here. Yeah. Start here. Comes around 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you cone. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you notice, I had to switch my hand to back. So one more time. Start here. Comes over 1, 2, 3, 4. Bottom hand. Actually, it's hand over. Cone. 5. It comes backwards. 5, 6, 7, 8. Knee turn. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then you pull hit 1, 2. So from the beginning, starts here. Yeah. It comes down 1, 2, 3, 4. Then comes back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. You catch 16 down. Hand under, so you just pull hit 1, 2. Alright, Mo.
I can do that.